I'm Matthew Frampton. I'm a Sage Intacct Implementation Consultant at Vision 33, and today we will discuss the 4 signs that you've outgrown Sage 50, the limitations created within Sage 50, and the ways in which Sage Intacct will provide superior functionality for your organization. Here at Version 33, we believe there are 4 sure signs that you've outgrown Sage 50. Too much of your reporting occurs within Excel. You have grown and need to operate with multiple entities and require consolidated financial statements. You are relying on too many manual processes that are difficult to control, and you have issues surrounding accessibility and upgrades. Maintaining financial reports within Microsoft Excel is far from ideal for organizations. It is a manual, time-consuming process that is prone to errors. Because of the limitations within Sage 50, many organizations are forced to maintain a large amount of their reports within Microsoft Excel. This is because Sage 50 can only build reports based on the chart of accounts. It does not support dimensions or dimensional accounting. It does not support calculated fields or statistical accounts, and you cannot create custom reports. This is where Sage Intacct shines. Multidimensional accounting and reporting allows you to enter dimensions at the time of entry for all transactions. This provides you with financial statements that can be segregated by dimensions such as location or item in real time. Dashboards can be created to display financial statements, KPI report cards, account balances, or any other data kept within the system, complete with drill down functionality. Calculated and statistical fields are both supported within Sage Intacct, and custom reports can be built to fit any other reporting needs. If your organization has grown and your business activity now involves operating with multiple entities, you're likely to require consolidated financial statements, and you will again encounter some limitations within Sage 50. To start, creating new entities within Sage 50 can be very difficult as no information is shared. This means you will have to create a new chart of accounts, new customers, new vendors, and more. Since Sage 50 does not support multiple entities, creating consolidated financial statements would require the use of Microsoft Excel, which we've already identified as a problem in the previous slide. Intacct solves all of these issues with its core functionality. Sage Intacct provides a multi-entity shared environment. Creating new entities is very simple. Data such as the chart of accounts, vendors, and customers can be shared with the new entity, making the process much more automated. The multi-entity functionality maintains your financials at both an entity level and at the top level, providing you with consolidated financial statements in real time, a process that could normally take days within Microsoft Excel. Due to the limitations created by the lack of automation within Sage 50, your organization may be using too many manual processes. Without workflow capability, documents such as sales orders and purchase requisitions may have to be printed, signed, and filed. This process is very manual, adds risk, and is much less efficient than an automated system. Within Sage Intacct, there is a workflow capability for both accounts receivable and accounts payable. Documents such as sales orders and purchase requisitions can be set up through the system, forwarded to the approver, and approved directly in the system. Additionally, an approval process can be set up for both the accounts payable workflow and outgoing payments. Approvals can be figured at any stage within the accounts payable workflow and can be customized to be routed for approval based on dollar amount, an employee's manager, and more. Accessibility and upgrades can be another pain point when operating in Sage 50. While Sage 50 states that it is cloud accounting, it is not a true cloud solution. If you're using Sage 50, your data is stored within a cloud, but to access that data, you must still be using a computer with Sage 50 installed. As Sage themselves put it, their desktop accounting connected to the cloud. If you're operating with multiple entities, each entity will require individual logins for all users, something that can be very cumbersome for your users. And upgrades are manual, meaning they can be costly, time-consuming, and very frustrating. Sage 50 only integrates with a very limited number of third-party solutions, forcing you to do many manual journal entries at month end. Again, Sage Intacct can solve all of these issues. Since it is a native cloud solution, It can be accessed anywhere from any device with the web browser as long as you have your login credentials. All of your users will only need a single logon for all of the entities. Upgrades occur automatically behind the scenes each quarter, 4 times a year by Sage. All of your data is very securely backed up on the cloud. And Sage Intacct has the capability to integrate with a large amount of third-party solutions, which will greatly increase your productivity. That pretty much sums it up for the signs that you've outgrown Sage 50 and should migrate to Sage Intacct. Thank you for taking the time to watch. I hope you found this video helpful.